The marvelous elephant. Numerous individuals admire elephants for their incredible intelligence. They appear to possess the ability to think critically, comprehend complex situations, and rapidly acquire knowledge. However, is their intelligence comparable to that of humans or more akin to other animals like monkeys or apes? Elephants exhibit distinct patterns of brain utilization compared to humans. Nevertheless, researchers suggest that certain aspects of elephant intelligence bear resemblance to human cognitive capabilities. How so? Fact 1. Echoes of language. Similar to humans, every elephant develops its distinct call. This call takes the form of a unique trumpet sound. Typically, by the time an elephant reaches its first decade, it has identified and embraced its signature call. Interestingly, scientists propose that elephants, much like people, engage in extensive vocalizations to communicate a range of emotions and experiences. Moreover, akin to human communication, elephants employ a combination of vocalizations and physical gestures. However, deciphering the intricacies of elephant communication remains a challenge for humans. While no one has yet managed to fully comprehend the language of elephants, some researchers are actively working to unlock its secrets. Fact 2. Harmonious play. Elephants exhibit remarkable social behavior. They thrive in close-knit family units referred to as herds. Furthermore, elephants from different herds frequently unite for play and social interactions, just as humans assemble for recreational activities. This cooperative and engaging play is a unique trait exhibited by creatures of higher intelligence. Fact 3. Architects of strategy. In a fascinating display of similarities, both elephants and humans engage in strategic planning to fulfill their desires. In the forests of Southeast Asia, for instance, elephants utilize a captivating approach to procure sustenance. When fruit-laden trees are within reach, elephants emit a series of signals, subtly beckoning their fellow kin to shake the trees. This concerted effort ensures that an abundance of fruits falls to the ground, providing sustenance for the entire herd. The advantage for the elephants lies in their ability to access ample nourishment. By collaborating with the elephants, the men gain a bountiful harvest. This intricate partnership is a testament to the complex intelligence shared between species.